Welcome to Texfab. This is a group of Shankar Mechanical Works providing braiding solutions since 1962. We at Texfab use highly sophisticated techniques and machinery to produce high quality braiding machine. We also cater to clients with specific needs and providing end-to-end braiding solutions like setting up the plants, providing the man-force, staff management and samplings. We also provide some special needs of accessing the current latest products and demands to the market. These are some samples of the products our machine manufacture, which is exclusive and high in demand. These are some special products which we cater and we produce as per the client needs. With our history of 60 years of experience in braiding industry, we manufacture different segments of braiding machines which involve products manufacturing for braided cords, braided ropes, rugs, mats and shoelaces and many more products. These are some samples of the product we manufacture. We manufacture a lot of machines in different segments with different variations ranging from 16 spindle, B series, C series, D series ranging to 120 spindles. Here is an example of an industry with rug making machine with a setup of more than 150 machines. This is a video from an export house unit. As you can see, these are semi-automatic machines which operates on its own and require less maintenance, less workforce. If you want more information on braiding machines and how to start your own business, contact us. Thank you.